Hello there, I'm Dr. Tajuddin, a dermatologist practicing in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And today I'm going to talk about a laser called Q-switch Nd:YAG laser. Q-switch Nd:YAG laser is used for the treatment of pigmentary lesions and tattoo removal. It can also be used for the treatment of various conditions like open pores, for photo rejuvenation, and also for the acne. So this laser has got two wavelengths. One is 532, the other one is 1064 nanometer. 532 nanometer is used for the treatment of epidermal lesions, that is superficial layer of the skin. 1064 nanometer used for the treatment of deeper layer of the skin, that is dermal layer. Once laser beam is delivered into the skin, it enters harmlessly to the skin and it will be absorbed by the melanin present in the skin. So after absorption, this light energy will be converted into heat energy. This will split the melanin, or if the tattoo, when we are treating, it will split the tattoo ink. Then that tattoo ink or melanin will be absorbed by our immune system. So this laser can treat pigmentary lesions like freckles, lentigines, melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, nevus of aorta, nevus of E2, and it can also be used for skin lightening, brightening, and also it will reduce the open pores, and mainly for the photo rejuvenation. This laser treatment is painless, and if at all a patient is very apprehensive and if they can't tolerate pain, then we'll have to use numbing cream, that's anesthetic cream, and wait for 30 to 45 minutes. And each laser session will last for another 15 to 30 minutes, and the multiple sessions are required depending on the condition. For example, tattoo remover, it might take 3 to 8 sittings, maybe more. Usually it is like 3 to 4 sittings. And for nevus of aorta, like 4 to 5 sittings or more. Usually we will keep a gap of minimum 3 weeks to 6 weeks. And for extensive pigmentary lesions and all, it might take maybe 45 minutes. Soon after the treatment, you might see whitening of that area. That will disappear in few hours, and redness or swelling also may be seen. And maybe 2 or 3 days after, you will see crusting, scab formation. That also will follow. The only thing we have to follow up is like should not be exposed to sunlight. If at all if you are going out, you should wear sunscreen prescribed by the dermatologist. Usually there are no side effects. At times you might see darkening of the area where we have treated. That will go away after some time. Rarely you will see whitening, depigmented areas, or even scarring. Immediately after the treatment, we will put ice pack and apply antibiotic ointment, and will advise the patient to wear sunscreen whenever they are going out. That's all about Q-switch Nd:YAG. I think you got some idea about this laser. I'll come back again with another interesting topic. Till then, please take care. Namaste.